Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the not charging of the laptop's battery. Actually, the laptop battery are made of lithium cells, and if the battery doesn't charge after a percent, a 20%, 30% or 40%, we usually throw the batteries away. But the batteries can be calibrated again. How? I will show you. Clean up the battery first, the connectors as well, and put it in the freezer. You had it right. Put it in the freezer. This is the normal fridge. But make sure one thing, cover it with some paper or the metallic sheet as well. You can cover it with this and put it in the freezer for at least 12 hours. Hope it will work. Thank you for watching.